Hello everyone. Good morning to all. I am RC Misra, soft skill trainer, Vidyasagar classes, Bhubaneswar, Odisha. Today I come with a new lesson called Articles with Misra sir. In today's session we are going to learn articles in English language. Articles means I am not saying only a and the. I am going to tell you every rules of article, and instead of putting an article, people find it difficult to know the omission of article. Where to put an article? Normally in our school level we learn if there is a, e, I, o, u, then before the noun you are going to put an, and the remain you are going to put a. So this theory is not going to work all the time. We must learn some more few things. I must not say few things, a lot of things about article. So let's begin. So what is an article? So you see a and the are known as article. Okay, we agree. After that, generally those are used before what? Noun. Okay, so these are adjective. You see the articles are also known as adjective, and when we talk about modern English, these are all also determiners. What we can say? Article are going to be the determiner. We will see in this video how article are used as an adjective, how it is used as an determiner in English language. So I request to all those who are new to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon for getting the upcoming videos notification. Okay, so we see article are of two types. One is indefinite article and another is what? Definite article. Indefinite में क्या क्या आएगा? A and an, and here indefinite the. Whenever we are making a sentence, now tell me, without article is it possible to create a sentence? Yes, but it is not possible to create more sentences. Ram is boy, can I say? He is a doctor. Oh my God, A is coming. I am a boy. A is coming. Orissa is a state. A is coming. Now what happened? Everywhere, okay, you look gorgeous. You look gorgeous. Here you don't have article. It doesn't mean that I would like to introduce myself. Here also you don't want article. But article is playing a very vital role, crucial role in English grammar. So let's begin with indefinite article. You see this indefinite article a or an is used to uncertain the position of a noun. What is that? Uncertain the position of a noun. Okay, let's say he saw an old man. Now here old man is a noun, and here that, look at it. What is the article we have? On. Okay, there was a king. What is that? There was a king. एक राजा था. Was a. Okay, here king is the noun. Again, a dog was barking. So here, what is that? This is a verb. Okay, a dog. So dog is a noun, and again here what? You have what? A article. So now tell me, without article, it is possible to create sentence? Sometime impossible. Okay, that's about indefinite one. Let's move to definite article. So the definite article is used to certain the position of noun. Here the house in which I live is new. जो घर में मैं रहता हूँ वो new है. तो यहाँ पे the house किए, क्यों? क्योंकि स्पेसिफिक घर है. तो हर एक घर में तो नहीं रहते ना. तो यहाँ पे नाउन क्या है? हाउस. उसके पहले क्या लग गया आपका? आर्टिकल लग गया है. और एक अगर सेंटेंस में लूँगा तो यहाँ पे मैं बता सकता हूँ कि दिस इज़ द पेन व्हिच आई हैव ब्रॉट. यही वो कलम है जो मैं लेके आया था। और द गोल्ड ऑफ नेपाल इज चीप, क्या है, नेपाल का जो गोल्ड होता है थोड़ा सस्ता होता है। सो नाउ वी सी indefinite article and definite article, but still there are few rules and regulations are there on this article. So let's learn together what rules we have for article. Okay, as we see earlier that what are the articles we have, we talk about indefinite article and we also talk about definite article. Now let's learn few rules of article. The first rule I have, a or an is used in the sense of, कौन सा सेंस में यूज होगा, one, all, per, each, by the rate of, any, on, ये सब में हम लोग ए और एन का यूज कर सकते हैं उसका सेंस में, उसके जगह पे। लेकिन whereas the has no meaning. What is that? Whereas the has what? The has no meaning. So where is the so the has no meaning, we agree, but the is used in functional case. And number 2 rule we have, everyone, an is the weak form of an adjective. As I told you earlier that the article are also going to be used as an adjective in a sentence. It is possible. So that's why here a or an is the weak form of adjective, what? One. Whereas the is the weak form of the adjective this or that. किसका weak form है? The, this or that. I told you that in article in modern English are also known as what? Determiners. That we are going to have a very special class. We are going to have a separate videos on determiner. And one more thing, everyone, if the is used before consonant, अगर consonant से पहले द लगेगा starting noun में, क्या करेंगे? The is read as the, जो दी बोल रहे हैं वो कैसे प्रोनाउंस होगा? द प्रोनाउंस होगा। एंड whereas the is used before vowel sound और vowel noun, अगर vowel noun से पहले होता है, this is going to pronounce as, the is pronounced as what? D. तो दो pronunciation मिला हमको, एक तो the और दी। Let's have a chart, pronunciation of the article. Let's see, we have articles, weak form and strong form. It is what? A can be pronounced as a. So all the time we are using the strong form. Any form we can use, but if you are looking it thoroughly, then you will go and differentiate the difference between a and a. So now what we are telling? We are telling a. Ram is a boy. Okay. So there what happened? That is a boy. Boy means consonant. So you are going to say what? Ram is a boy, not a boy. Okay. And one more thing. This an is pronounced as on and an. Okay. One more. The the is pronounced as what? The and the, and long strong form होगा तो दी, थोड़ा लंबा होगा इस तरह का, right? So we know 3 rules and this thing. Okay, let's explore something more about article, which is the position of article. Where can I put an article in a sentence? Let's explore together. Okay, so now we are going to understand the position of article. Listen to the rules, everyone. We have 3 rules. Rule number 1, a or an take a or an or the takes its position before noun. So the first rule says that a, an, the is going to used before noun. And the example is also given here. What is that? I have a book. So here what? A is the article and book is the noun. He has an umbrella. Umbrella before is a noun before article. Or the cow has a tail. Now the cow is a what? Noun. Before that you put the article the. And rule number 2 said if an adjective is used before noun, अगर एक एडजेक्टिव यूज हुआ होगा यूज बिफोर ए नाउन, नाउन से पहले, तब आप क्या करोगे, एडजेक्टिव से पहले आर्टिकल लगा दोगे। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, सी इज एन इंटेलिजेंट गर्ल, यहाँ पे नाउन क्या है, गर्ल है, इंटेलिजेंट क्या है, एडजेक्टिव, एडजेक्टिव से पहले क्या लगा है, आर्टिकल लगा है कि नहीं हम, राइट। और एक बढ़ते हैं, मनिका हैज अ लॉन्ग स्टिक, चलिए सेम थिंग है। वन मोर रूल दैट, रूल नंबर 3, इवन एडवर्ब इज यूज्ड बिफोर एडजेक्टिव। अगर एडवर्ब यूज होगा एडजेक्टिव और नाउन से पहले, तो हम क्या करेंगे, आर्टिकल को एडवर्ब से पहले लगा देंगे। एग्जाम्पल, सी इज अ वेरी इंटेलिजेंट गर्ल, ये वेरी क्या है, एडवर्ब है, जिसके बारे में मैं within a few days I am going to create a video, individual video for adverb, and all part of speech are going to be covered in short days, in the coming days. So here is the article, adverb से पहले लगा है, right. So in today's class we learn 3 rules and some other rules. So in today's video everyone, we learn what is article, types of article, then we learn the position of article. We also learn the few rules about article, that what is the use of a or an. Okay, still the class is not yet over, because still we are going to see the usage of a and the. We are also going to learn omission of article. We are also going to know more than 50 rules. So this is part 1 video. I will meet you people in part 2 also. Okay, in tomorrow class I am going to discuss about part 2 video. So those who are new, if you find this video is helpful for your learning, please subscribe my channel. If you like my video, you can share it on all social media platforms. As we are living in IT era, so we must share to promote someone. If you really like my teaching, you can support me by sharing my videos to others. Thank you so much for watching. Jai Hind.